Today's sticky note fact is that the first U.S. presidential election was held in 1789. In 1789, George Washington became the first president of the United States. Back then, only white men who owned property were allowed to vote. Today, elections have changed to include a much wider group of voters. Fun fact: the U.S. presidential election takes place every 4 years on the first Tuesday after the first Monday in November, a tradition that started in 1845. Why do you think it's important for people to vote in elections? How do elections help shape the future of a country? Pause and discuss with your class or leave a comment with your answer. And that's today's sticky note fact. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.